Hello, my name is Amelia Roberts, and I am going to be your instructor for Microsoft Forms Mastery. We are about to embark on a journey to become proficient in using Microsoft Forms to leverage our data collection and data analysis. Microsoft Forms empowers users to design, distribute, and analyze surveys and quizzes. Throughout the following modules, we are going to explore the key features of Microsoft Forms, including designing visually appealing forms and employing advanced features for data analytics. I will be guiding you through some hands-on activities while also providing practical tips and strategies so that you can optimize your form building experience. By the end of our course, Microsoft Forms Mastery, you will have the knowledge and skills to create impactful forms, surveys, quizzes, and polls to efficiently collect data and streamline your workflows. Let's go ahead and get started.